Welcome to another RMS support tutorial. Today we will discuss the implementation of importing native XER file formats from Primavera P6 schedule files. RMS previously only had the ability to import SDEF and XML files from P6. With this update, RMS now supports the import of XER file types, enables Gantt chart visualization, and facilitates the comparison of existing schedules. To demonstrate this, we will navigate to the Import-Export tab, then select the Network Analysis Schedule module. Adding, editing, and deleting schedules remains the same, as well as comparing schedules within this module. To add an XER file, simply click the Add button, then select a file from your file system, and either double-click or select the Open option. Now proceed by clicking Next. Please enter the date, the date represented by the file's contents, select the file type and version, and provide the project ID or schedule name. Once completed, click Finish to proceed. The XER import file menu will display the normal at-a-glance activities, calendars, and original XER file format. You may now analyze the schedule in RMS by selecting the Analyze Schedule button at the top. This will display the schedule analysis menu, which can be sorted by activity, source, CLIN, activity name, FOW, schedule % complete, start, finish, budgeted total cost, and total float values. These columns can be adjusted, resized, and filtered even more by clicking the preferred sorting method to display from latest to earliest or vice versa, depending on the arrow direction. The Ungroup option will separate the activities from their phase of work to view each entry separately. The 4 blue tiles at the top are used to display counts or totals for each type listed in the tile. For example, total number of activities, sum of all activities, sum of CLINs, and the number of constraints in the file. The Comparison Schedule tab will allow for comparison of both the imported file and previously imported schedules in Gantt chart format and can be sorted like the Import Schedule tab. The Critical Path tab will allow for further analysis to identify the longest sequence of tasks that must be completed on time for a project to finish on schedule. Total float less than or equal to values can be adjusted accordingly. Please note that this analysis is not a substitute for reviewing the files and data in Primavera prior to importing them into RMS. Before accepting and importing any schedules into RMS, it is essential to review any changes using the Preview Data Import into Contract function, paying close attention to any red flags, alert messages, or indications of deleted data.